Now, if you're a skincare girly like myself, you know that one of the struggles we always have to deal with is getting just the right and the perfect product, okay, for your face wash, your cleanser, your serum, and the likes of them. Especially the face wash, okay, one that is not going to strip your skin, of moisture, one that is not going to strip your skin of its natural oils, okay. And let me tell you, it was in my course of making this search, especially when the last one I was using finished, that I stumbled on the Neutrogena Facial Bar soap. I did come on here a few months ago to share a first impression of this product the first time I came in contact with it, what it smelled like, what it also felt like to apply it on the face, okay. Immediately I brought it out of the box, yes, fresh from the box. So I'm going to leave that video linked in the card here or here for you to go check out as soon as you're done watching this video. And of course, I'm also going to leave it down in the description area below for you to check out as well. If you have come across this soap before, let me know in the comment section below. If you've used it, please share your experience as well. I would like to know, other members of this family and other people who come across this video would like to know what your experience is. And now, without much further ado, let's go on ahead. Let me share with you my experience in the past 2 months that I have been using the Neutrogena bar soap for acne. Hi besties, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. Please join our channel membership. When you do all of these things, you support this YouTube channel and you let YouTube know that people are actually interested in the things we talk about here, okay. And now to this particular product, okay, you guys, I have it right here because this is about the 3rd pack of this Neutrogena facial bar soap that I'm getting for acne. I don't know if you guys can see it. This one here is, yeah, for acne that I am getting, okay, you guys. This is the 3rd one. I'm yet to open it. This is going to be the first time I'm actually opening it. Yes, yeah, you guys, I just noticed something. I just noticed something. The second one I got is actually a fake of this product. If you would like to know how to differentiate between the fake and the original, let me know in the comment section below. I just wish that I have not thrown the pack of the other one because I still have a little of this of the soap left, okay, from the last one I'm using, the second one I'm using. And this actually smells like the chin. You guys, just please let me just I beg, I'm on my feelings right now. Let's get back into this video, okay, you guys. So this is the 3rd pack of the Neutrogena soap, and I did say, okay, first impressions from the very first bar that I got, I was so impressed and I felt, you know what, if this thing actually delivers on a promise, then I'm going to be using it for a very long time. Except of course I begin to get other products from brands that I'm having paid collaborations with, or that are sending me their products for PR and other business stuff here on this channel or on Instagram. Then I would of course have to try out their product. But talking about me going to use my money to walk into a supermarket to buy another product, it's gonna be this one, okay. This product, first of all, is non-comedogenic, which means it is not going to clog your pores, okay. Like I said from the beginning, it has been specially formulated for people with acne prone skin. If you're somebody who has oily skin and you need something that can help you always get rid of the dirt and the oil residue, excess oil on your face, then this soap is for you. Now, one very interesting thing that I like about this soap is the fact that it is not medicated. And I don't know if you're like me, but ever since I was a child, anything medicated does not work for me. All these antiseptic soaps, this antiseptic, what do they call it now, that you put in water that makes the like Dettol, okay, antiseptic liquid, I don't know, what do they call them? They could put it in the comment section below. All those stuffs would irritate my skin, give me a rash all over, like very serious severe rash. You think I have measles, okay. So any soap that is medicated soap, antiseptic soap, I don't use them. And this soap is not, okay, so it will not irritate your skin any further than your skin already is irritated. It will not dry out your skin. Instead, it will clean your skin very well, remove any excess dirt, any makeup, any dirt, any excess oil on your face, like I already mentioned, okay, you guys. This is going to leave your face squeaky clean. And now, did this product work for me? I mean, you can't see my face. First things I'm going to say first of all is that this soap is not an acne treatment soap. Yes, I am not just speaking from someone who has gone to make research, but I'm speaking from the point of view of somebody who has used this product. I got this product sometime in April, but I started using it in May, okay, the 1st pack. I started using it in the month of May, so May, June, July, and oh wow, 3 months. I've been using it for the past 3 months, and yes, I'm going to continue sticking to it, but not as an acne treatment. If you actually have acne and you want to treat your acne, whether severe or mild acne, you might need to incorporate, like serums or other skin acne treatments, okay, that will take care of your acne for you. But one thing that this product did for me is that it actually helped to reduce the inflammations, okay, of my acne on my face. Like for instance, I've been using it, but you can still see acne on my face, okay. That is because I am currently not using any active acne treatment on my face, but it takes care of that. It helps me reduce the inflammation, okay. As soon as I use this to wash my face, whether in the morning or at night, I always get a positive result literally by the next morning. When you wake up, you're going to notice that the inflammations on your face have drastically reduced. But one thing I'm going to say that this soap did is that, first of all, it darkened my skin. Now when I say darkened my skin, it was actually in that first week of May that I started using it, within the first 3 days to 7 days, because I was really paying attention to see the results, okay. Maybe because I was also switching from one product to the other, I don't know, but initially it began to look like it was making my skin dull. Yes, it was feeling like, oh, my skin is very dull, my skin, is now becoming a bit darker than other parts of my body. I mean, you can see my hands and my face. I can literally raise my leg for you to see what it looks like, okay, so you can see. But when I started using this product initially, it was darkening my face. I didn't understand why. And the first thing that came to me on impulse was to actually throw this soap away. But on second thought, I decided, you know what, let me follow the advice that I've been giving you people. Let me just hold on, for like 2 weeks, at least, so that the money that I used to buy it will not be wasting, man. You understand? Okay. So by the second week, okay, literally the 8th or 9th day, my skin was actually beginning to, become, smoother, fresher. I was beginning to see results. And for some reason I just felt, oh, it's just a normal bar soap, okay. Yes, and it's actually just a normal bar soap. The only difference is that it's specifically made or formulated for people who are acne prone, okay. It's just a normal regular cleansing bar soap, honestly. So if you're somebody who is still skeptical about using Dove soap for your face like me, then you can opt for this. This is very good. Another thing that this product did was that it dried out my skin. And that is not because it is actually, a bad soap. No, the reason is because I was double cleansing. Yes. And for people who have complained that this product dries out their skin every single time they use it, the reason, okay, aside from the fact that you might be double cleansing, is that you have probably been applying this soap directly to your face. So I don't care what they say it is, even if it's an acne treatment soap, please do not apply it directly on your face. The best form or best way to use any product to use on your face, especially like your face washes, is to apply it on your hand, lather it. Once the lather is there, it is the lather that you now use on your face, and then you leave it to sit on your face for like a minute, for 1 minute, 60 seconds basically, because sometimes when you say 1 minute, it looks like it's 1,000 hours you're talking about. No, just leave it for 60 seconds or even 30 seconds and wash off. If you do it every morning and every night when you wash your face, or anytime you need to wash your face, you are definitely going to see results, okay. This will not dry out your skin. Like I said, the only reason it dried out my skin is because I was double cleansing. Like I use it to wash my face the first time, and then I go in with it the second time, okay. On some cases even use an exfoliating sponge. So that was why it was drying out my skin. So I needed to now go heavy on moisturizers. But this soap actually helps also balance the pH level of your skin, so that your skin is not producing excess oil, okay. Your skin will still produce oil. Like I said, see, just before I started filming this video, I applied, I did some touch up on just my powder, okay. But you can see that the oil on my skin is already coming out. So it's not like it is going to stop the control of oil. It is going to help to manage it so that your skin is not always as oily as much. I mean, especially if you wash your face frequently, okay, like 2 to 3 times every day with this soap. So yes, you guys, this soap was amazing. Did it work? Yes, it worked. It helped to reduce my inflammation. It helped to give me a cleaner skin, okay. Remember that you are not supposed to skip your sunscreen as well. I layered heavily with moisturizer. Am I going to use it again? Like I said, yes. I mean, this is the third pack waiting to be used, okay. I am going to definitely use it again, except like I said, brands reach out to me with their products, whether paid, PR or sponsored, and they want me to try out their products, okay, to give them feedback, reviews, or they want me to test out, a new product that they're introducing into their product line, all that good stuff, okay. But basically, you guys, this soap is amazing. If you have acne like me, or you are managing oily skin, you are managing an acne prone skin, please make this soap your best friend. And it is not expensive, it is affordable and very effective, okay. It's not expensive. Like I said, the first time I stumbled on it in the market, I mentioned it in that first impression video, It was selling for 1,500, and that is in 2024. I mean, if you're in Nigeria, you know the cost of skincare now in Nigeria. Even the ones that used to be cheap are not cheap. So when I saw Neutrogena and I saw that it was 1,500, I was like, hey, no, let me just go and try it, okay? But you guys, I tried it, it worked. And like I said, the funny thing I just noticed is the funny thing I just noticed is that the first bar I got was the original one. The second bar I got had a little bit, a slight difference in color, but I don't know why I did not notice it. Maybe because I had thrown out the pack of the first one I used and I didn't have anything to make use to compare. But this one, this one that I'm holding in my hand is the original one, and the one I'm currently using is almost exhausted. If I was filming this video right in my house, I would have gone into my bathroom to bring out what is left of that one. Is actually the fake. Yes, it's actually the fake. And surprisingly, if I'm to think of it, that is the reason why I had a little bit more difficulty in managing my breakout in the last 2 to 3 weeks I have been using this soap. But it's well, you guys, this soap does not melt easily, okay? It spreads quickly, it sinks into your skin, so it means that it is going to last you, like, it takes me almost 5 to 6 weeks or 7 weeks to exhaust just one of this. And that brings me to the end of this video, you guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below, okay? Do not forget to turn on the bell notification, hit the subscribe button if you are not. Please share out this video if you found it helpful, or you could relate to even one single thing that I said on this channel, like in this video. Like if I made you smile or made you nod your head in agreement at any point in this video, please share out this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, join my channel membership. Until I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.